Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a smartphone car holder. So this will hold your cell phone and it clips to an air vent in your car. The brand is Extremade, and for your budget it's under $20 on Amazon. Go ahead, check out that link in my video description below to see if this is the product for you, read more reviews and specific specs on it. I'm going to be unboxing it in this video, then I'll take it outside to my car, we'll clip it in and see how we like it. So really excited for this. They did send me this to review on my channel, but any opinion expressed in this video is my own, and feel free to make your own opinions and judgments as well. I really just want people to look at this and then make their own decisions. So this is how it will come packaged to you from Amazon in an envelope. This specific one, this color is black. Extremade has their logo right here and a sticker right here. So this is the package, really cool. Now we'll go ahead and we'll open it up. Here is how it comes packaged to you though. That's everything inside. So first thing out, that's nice. They give you a microfiber cloth, which is pretty cool. Just some protective foam for the holder itself. So here it is, right here. And lastly, they give you, oh that's really cool, I didn't even know that. So they give you a USB cable on one end, so that's the type A, male end, and then they give you 3 different adapters on the other end. So they got micro USB, your iPhone lightning connector, and I believe that's the USB-C port. So that's really cool. This is a really thin USB cable. That's awesome. And then let me see if I can understand what this is. It looks like some sort of brush, possibly maybe to clean your air vent. All right, so here this is. It looks like some sort of brush, and then again those 3. I think that could be to really clean your air vent. There are no instructions, but that seems pretty straightforward. I don't know what else you would use that for. So really, that's really cool. Now we'll go ahead and we'll see if we can set this up. So there, it clicks in, clicks out. So there's an on and an off. So if we turn it to off, I guess that's how we can then put this ball in. There we go. I can get it. So that snaps in and you can tighten it on. And that pivots, so that's really cool. So you can hold your phone whatever way you want. And then let's see if we can figure out how we go about. So you just push that, it's under a lot of tension, and then it'll go, you'll let go, and it'll mount right to your air vent. I'm doing this now just in the off chance that I won't be able to show you that the best from my car with my camera in there. It'll be harder to film, but we'll go ahead and we'll look at that too. I believe your phone should just snap right in. Yep, so you just, oops, I didn't do that right. So that stays out, then you should be able to just push, and it'll snap right in. So that's pretty cool. That's really neat. That'll hold it in place. So now let's go ahead and we'll transition outside and look at this in the car.
Hey guys, Digital David here again. Now we are in the car and we're going to try this clip out. Really excited for this. Again, it just goes on an air vent, and then you just push this little piece out, and there's a lot of tension on it. So say I want to put my phone right here. There we go. It's in place now. Great design. So this is spring loaded. So if I set it in here and push a little bit, there we go. And then I can adjust the back with more tension to leave the phone to stay like that, to stay up in the air. You can tighten that. So however you like it, you can set that, and then you're good to go. Now what I do like is they included this awesome accessory cable. So say this is where I want to keep my phone. You can plug in whatever cable you have. So I'd have the USB-C cable, which is nice, and it's long. So in my car, I have a USB adapter in the center console. So I could actually run this cable right there, and it would actually fit. You can't see that on the video, but it would work. So I'm glad that they send you this cable that's, you know, maybe 4 feet or so long. So it gives you some room and some options. And again, if you have an iPhone or a Samsung phone or the Google phone, you're good to go. They give you all 3 types for mobile phones. So really an awesome product. There it is sitting right on there. Really cool. And then to get it off, there's these 2 clips back here. Just like that. It's spring loaded again for the next time. Clips off. Ready to go the next time. So you can put your phone in pretty easily when you hop in the car. Pretty simple design. Really, really clever. Really happy with it. And you can just remove that from the back. So awesome clip. Go ahead, check it out. Video description below. Guys, feel free to like, comment, share. Love to hear from you. And yeah, just look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Hit that sub button too. See you soon.